Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the right side, also you can get here on the left side of your phone, tap on this icon and go to the settings. Also be sure to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And now just go to the network preferences section, and here you get the auto update apps. Now just switch that to the don't auto update apps and confirm to tap on done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.